Devon, a customer, purchased the Aulterra EMF Pendant and performed live blood analysis tests on herself when exposed to a microwave oven. She paid for her own independent testing. The results were pretty clear. Please watch.
So they're nice and moving around freely, which is good to see. Not too fast, but there's no like aggregation or rouleau present. And they're a bit stuck around the outside. Awesome. So they're quite aggregated through there.
4 minutes of the microwave. And slower. Okay, so microwave 4 minutes, wearing the necklace. Do you reckon they're still a bit slower than baseline?
A little bit slower, but then again, we kind of did do it straight after, if that makes sense.
But then definitely
and you
not
weren't wearing
clumped
it for as long as, like we just put it on before we went in, so you weren't wearing it for that long. But yeah, definitely not as clumped. But definitely more free moving.
Devon wrote to us saying,
"It's very obvious that the microwave caused clumping and also very clear that this did not happen while wearing the pendant. I was super excited with these results. I've never actually tested anything like this before, so it was great to see. Everything is always based on studies you read about but never actually get to witness yourself. I definitely recommend EMF Neutralizer.